Hi, I've reviewed 13 meditation apps to find the best one for beginners. When I started this process, I didn't think there'd be much variation between the different apps, but I was wrong. It turns out there's loads of variety out there, so you just might need help choosing the right meditation app for you. But well done on starting your meditation journey. Clinical research has proven beyond doubt that regular meditation improves focus, memory, creativity, and well-being while reducing stress and anxiety. Of the 13 apps I reviewed, each one had a real feature for beginners. I'll talk you through them all now. Insight Timer is a genuinely free app with over 7,000 guided meditations by over 1,500 teachers. The usability is great, and it has other cool features such as support groups and communities. I found thousands of tracks specifically for beginners. Calm, which costs $12.99 a month, offers a 7-day program just for beginners. The Mindfulness app is free and offers a beginner 5-day meditation and a number of foundational courses that are 1 to 2 hours long in the premium version. Headspace, which is a beautifully designed app that costs $9.99 a month, although it does have a free version, offers packs or series of sessions that you can use daily over a set period. There's a 10-day getting started version for beginners. Pretty much every track on Bidify is introductory. The app is designed for people who have always been interested in meditation but haven't been able to fit it into their lives. It costs £4.99 a month and you don't need to sign up for an account. I found these meditations more like cognitive behavioral therapy, but they were still interesting and really worth doing. Smiling Mind is another free app that offers a full program with an introduction to mindfulness meditation. The app lets you check in how you're feeling before and after your meditation. Stop, Breathe, Think is a great free meditation app with a premium option that costs $9.99 a month. A lot of the content on this app is appropriate for beginners. 10% Happier has a free version as well. The premium version is £74 per year. When you first open the app, it asks if you have ever meditated before and then tailors your experience to your level, which is quite a great feature. Mindfulness Daley's Simple Start program is available on its free version, and it's ideal for beginners. Varnas tracks are broken down into beginner and expert. I really like this app. It's run by an education company that designs tools to help people lead epic lives. There are a number of tracks for free and others to buy. Breathe by Oh My God I Can Meditate costs £6.99 a month. It offers 5-minute beginner meditations and a Learn to Meditate series as well. Simple Habits invites you to choose that you want to learn to meditate and then personalizes your experience for you. The app costs £7.83 per month, although there is a free option with more limited features. Finally, there's Meditation Studio, a beautifully designed app that costs £3.99 a month. The app offers an essentials course to help you go from zero to Zen. Well done for making time for yourself to meditate. Every one of these apps can help you get started, and if you make meditation a regular habit, you'll be healthier and happier. I recommend trying a variety before committing to your favorite. And thanks for watching my review of meditation apps for beginners. Please support me in helping bringing great tech to more people by liking or sharing this video, subscribing to the 4-Minute Tech channel, and leaving a comment.